Blenders are a great way to make delicious smoothies. However, blender quality varies dramatically from blender to blender. This video will help you find the best 5 blenders for smoothies so that you can start making them in your kitchen. We are select all products depending on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Number 5, Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender. Wolf Gourmet's Pro Performance Blender is a 5-star blender with a 2.2 peak horsepower motor that propels the blades to speeds over 200 miles per hour, delivering an ultra-responsive blending experience. The motor is optimized for quieter blending and features infinite variable speed control with a pulse option. It comes equipped with 4 pre-programmed settings: smoothie, puree, soup, and ice crush that provide consistent professional results every time. The pulsing function works with any manual blending speed. Each set has its own memory that will store the blender's last setting and automatically resume it upon use. The blender features a 32-ounce BPA-free, dishwasher-safe pitcher with an easy pour spout and lid to make serving simple. Number 4, Breville BBL 620 The Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. The Breville Fresh and Furious is where power meets versatility, designed with 9 one-touch programs and 5 speed settings for instant smoothies, green smoothies, and ice crushing to make what is a rough start a smooth finish. Pre-programmed buttons make it super simple to blend the smoothest of smoothies and crush ice into snow. Included accessories are the Breville Assist lid with an inner measuring lid that allows you to add ingredients while blending, and a recipe book filled with great ideas for your next delicious creation. The blender also has an LED display that tells time and will turn off when the blender is in working mode. Number 3, NutriBullet ZNBF30500Z Blender. The NutriBullet is a powerful blender that makes it easy to extract nutrients from fruits and vegetables. It can be used for making smoothies, soups, salsa, sauces, and much more. The NutriBullet ZNBF30500Z is a great addition to your kitchen. It's a powerful blender that can pulverize fruits, vegetables, and nuts into smoothies or other drinks in seconds. The unit is capable of making up to 30% more servings than leading competitors. This model features an easy twist extractor blade for quick and efficient blending, dishwasher-safe pitcher and cups, BPA-free pitcher and cups, high-performance plastic pitcher and cup construction with ergonomic handle design, large capacity, 24 ounces. Extra wide feed tube for larger items, and a 1200 watt motor. Number 2, KitchenAid K153 Speed Ice Crushing Blender. KitchenAid's K150 stand mixer is the perfect tool to help you achieve your ideal taste, texture, and consistency. With its unique asymmetric blade that blends at 4 distinct angles, pulling ice into the center for powerful crushing, this mixer will crush ice in less than 10 seconds. The 3 optimally designed speeds for your perfect blend plus an ice crush setting are just what you need to create any recipe, from light and fluffy cakes to thick and creamy smoothies. And with a soft start feature that starts at a slower speed to pull ingredients into the blade, then ramps up to speed, you can blend ingredients seamlessly without worrying about splashing or overflowing. Number 1, Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. The E310 and its smaller counterpart, the E320, are the perfect machines to create a wide variety of recipes in your home. The variable speed control allows you to refine every texture with culinary precision, from the smoothest puree to the heartiest soups. With more than 10 speeds between 1,000 and 24,000 revolutions per minute, you can also use it for chopping nuts or blending up smoothies. The pulse feature lets you add coarse chops over smooth puree for heartier recipes such as chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. And since they're both self-cleaning, you don't have to worry about scrubbing any difficult blender parts. The 48-ounce container is ideal for blending medium batches for small family meals. Cutting blades measuring 3-inch diameter ensure a consistent blend every time. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. If you have any questions about these 5 products, you can comment below. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.